So here's how you can turn up the light on the iPhone screen. So let me guide you through it. There are some basic things you can do, but also a bit more advanced stuff which not many people know about. So let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe so you do not miss more tutorials and similar guides like this. So obviously the most basic stuff is to swipe it down from the top right to access the control center. And there are things like multiple different sliders and whatnot and controllers, and there is most definitely going to be the brightness controller. So you can hold down on it, make it go full screen, or even just swipe up on it or down, right, to turn up the light, and that's how you can control it. The next step would be that you simply do not see it right here because it's now like possible to reorganize it and even delete stuff from the control center. So in that case, you can tap the plus button in the top left corner and then click on add a control and bring back the brightness controller to make sure it is always there and accessible, right? But even still, you might bump up the brightness fully and it still kind of feel like the phone is a little too dark, and there are more ways how you can even bring more light to the screen. What you're going to do is to open up settings and get forward to the accessibility section, where part of the display and the text size, we can find some color filters and some random other things which might also affect the way the screen looks. But the thing I want to talk about is the reduce white point. And the thing about it is that if you have it enabled, it's gonna limit the brightness of the bright colors, right? So if you have it enabled, it literally makes the screen go darker, independent and completely separate from the brightness controller in the control center. So that's something that not many people actually know about, and you might have that enabled. So just make sure you turn off reducing of the white point so you can get the most light out of your screen. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it helps you out. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the future videos too.